Indulge in the celebration of National Bagel Day with a delectable roundup of 9 enticing deals that promise to be a boon for your taste buds and your wallet. Bagel Boss. Enjoy not only free nationwide shipping, but also an exclusive 10% discount for Today.com readers from January 15th to 18th. Use the code TDY10 during checkout for added savings. As a bonus, participate in Bagel Boss's Instagram or Facebook contest for a chance to win a year's supply of bagels. Bruegger's. Join Bruegger's Rewards program and relish a complimentary bagel paired with cream cheese. This delightful offer awaits you for 14 days following a qualifying purchase. Einstein Brothers Bagels. Enroll in the rewards program at Einstein Bros. Bagels and be greeted with the delightful combination of a free bagel and cream cheese on your next purchase this month at participating locations. Goldberg's Fine Foods. National Bagel Day at Goldberg's means a complimentary bagel and cream cheese with any purchase, treating customers to a savory delight. H&H. Craving H&H bagels? Satisfy your craving and enjoy a 10% discount on nationwide shipping orders. Simply use the code BagelDay24 between January 12th and 15th. Manhattan Bagel. Sign up for Manhattan Bagel's e-club by January 15th to revel in a special National Bagel Day deal. A complimentary bagel and cream cheese. Available at locations across 6 states. New Yorker Bagels. No need to journey to New York for an authentic experience. Celebrate National Bagel Day with free 2-day shipping on the company's website, bringing the taste of New York to your doorstep. Noah's NY Bagels. This California-based bagel haven with 55 locations rewards customers with a free bagel and schmear when they enroll in the company's rewards program. Panera. Panera patrons signing up for the rewards program are entitled to a delightful free pastry, bagel, or sweet, valid for 60 days with any purchase at participating locations. This offer, with a maximum value of $4.59, is an opportunity to sweeten your National Bagel Day celebration.